Hi everyone. So in this video session, again I'm going to solve one question that was asked in GATE 2024 in computer science, and the subject was DBMS, and the topic is ER model. Okay, so this question was based on elimination process. If you know how do we represent entity as well as the relation. Okay, so they have given some statements, and you have to just draw the diagram, diagram. Okay, entity and relationship diagram. Okay, so we have to see. So basically we always use diamond shape for relation as well as the kind of rectangle shape for entity, right? So let us have a look to this question, and this question was quite easy, right? Here you don't need any sort of formula, anybody can solve it, and this question was asked for 1 mark, right? So that's what I want to show you from these previous year question series, right? That at ECS, understand that computer science questions are not at all difficult. Remember that, okay? Anybody can solve it if you literally focus and give your 100% focus and attention. So go through the question and look at the option. You can eliminate the options, right? So let us have a look to question first. The question says that let S be the specification. So instructor teach courses. Okay, so here the instructor is the entity here and the course is kind of entity, right? What is the relationship between course and the entity? That is teach. Okay, so you can remember this point. You can keep writing E and R, all these things. Okay, so what you can do here is you can say this is E, this is E, and this can be R. Now second statement, second specification, student register for the course. So again, this the student is going to be entity here and course is nothing but your entity only. The registration process is going to be the relation between these two entities. Now course are allocated classroom, right? So here courses are nothing but entity, classroom is again going to be entity, allocation is going to be your relation. Okay, so that should be represented with the help of diamond shape, understand? So you can just see here, instructor here is the entity, student is the entity, and guide is nothing but the relation, okay, between instructor and the student. Now look at the first, you know this, okay, the very first. So what we can do here is instructor and the course, fine, that is fine. And notice here is that they have given student is nothing but here the relation, that is wrong. So option, I mean, this cannot be correct here, the first is not correct. First model is not correct, guys, because student they have represented with the help of diamond shape. Okay, it means there is a relation. Okay, now, and instructor, course, and student, and okay, so first option is straight away eliminated. Now go to second diagram, model. Instructor, fine, there is a relation between instructor and the course. Yeah, instructor teach course, fine, that is fine. Now you see here there is a course and the project. Okay, so did they mention anywhere regarding projects and all? Okay, they did not mention anywhere regarding projects, so this cannot be correct also. Okay, please remember this. Okay, there is no relation, there is no entity kind, okay, like project or something. Okay, so let us go to this third, okay, third model. So if you look at this instructor teaches course, fine, but there should be there is no relation between course and the classroom here. Okay, see, course are allocated. Okay, so they should, there should be one relation like this. Okay, so this model is also eliminated like this. Now the only option, you can say only model that is going to be correct for this question is this. Okay, so what was the question? Basically there was, four options. Let me show you those four options, and you have to choose the four options. Okay, so this was the question. So D option is going to be correct for this question. I hope this makes sense. Anybody can solve this kind of question, guys. Okay, you see, I don't have any sort of knowledge, you can say. You must know that we always use this kind of a you know figure for representing entity, and diamond shape is used for relation. So there will be a relation between two entity. There can be one to one relation, many to one relation, one to many, or many to many. Okay, but here we don't have to worry about what kind of relation is there. Okay, Just we have to draw the ER model, ER diagram, and the question is done. You will get 1 mark. I hope you guys can solve this kind of question using elimination process, right? So whenever this kind of question will be there, read the question, directly jump to the option and eliminate in less than 1 minute. You will get the answer quickly. While reading the question itself, you should start reacting, okay, so that you can get the answer. I hope this makes sense.